Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a scenic drive along Florida's Highway A1A through the charming community of St. Augustine Beach. This area offers a delightful blend of natural beauty and historical significance. St. Augustine Beach is situated approximately 5 miles southeast of the historic city of St. Augustine. The city is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the west right-of-way of State Road A1A, with its northern boundary at Pope Road and extending south to the Sandpiper Village subdivision. The community offers a variety of resorts, hotels, motels, vacation rentals, eateries, shops, and beach attractions, making it a popular destination for visitors. As the drive continues along Highway A1A, travelers are treated to picturesque views of the Atlantic coastline and the inviting sandy shores of St. Augustine Beach. The combination of historical charm and coastal beauty makes this area a unique and captivating destination.
Jimmy Buffett Memorial Highway, St. Augustine Beach, Florida.